Welcome to our video on the benefits of mobile auto glass services. Discover how these services offer convenience, safety, and efficiency, making them an ideal choice for vehicle owners needing glass repairs or replacements. Mobile auto glass services provide unmatched convenience by bringing repair and replacement services directly to your location. This eliminates the need to visit a repair shop, saving you time and effort while ensuring your vehicle's safety features are restored efficiently. Choosing a mobile auto glass service means benefiting from expert technicians who use advanced tools for precise repairs. This ensures that your vehicle's glass components are installed according to manufacturer guidelines, maintaining safety and performance standards. The flexibility of mobile auto glass services allows for scheduling at your convenience, whether at home or work. This adaptability caters to busy lifestyles, ensuring your vehicle's glass is in top condition without disrupting your daily routine. Thank you for watching our video on mobile auto glass services. Embrace the convenience and expertise these services offer, ensuring your vehicle's safety and performance are never compromised. Choose Extreme Vivid Auto Glass Services for a seamless and efficient repair experience. Call us at 410-900-4600 or visit the website at ev-autoglass.com.